1993 and I am in 8th standard. Today I am going to explore the one part of our history which is the land revenue system. Land revenue system. During the British rule, the British had introduced the three types of land revenue system, which means they decided how the peasant will pay tax to them in what manner. So accordingly, the three types of land revenue system was introduced. First, the permanent settlement system. Permanent settlement system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. It was introduced in the year of 1793 and it covered the state of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. Under this system, the British had introduced the Zamindar. Therefore, this system is also known as the Zamindari system. In this system, all the peasants will pay their tax to the Zamindar and then Zamindar paid this tax to the British East India Company. But there was some shortcoming of this system. The peasants were exploited by the zamindar. If they were not able to pay the tax, they have to be taken loan from the local money lender. And if they were also not able to pay the loan they had to taken, then they were evicted from their ancient land. But the situation was changed after the beginning of the 19th century. The agriculture was improved, and the company did not earn any profit because the tax was fixed and they cannot be increased. Second, royal party system. The royal party system was introduced by Sir Thomas More. It was introduced in the year of 1820. It was introduced first in Madras Presidency and later in Bombay Presidency. In this system, there was a direct relationship of the peasant with the East India Company. Suppose this is the peasant and it is the East India Company. So there is no middleman in this and there is a direct relationship between the East India Company. This system has also some shortcomings. The demand of the cash payment led to the poverty in the peasant. Third, Mahalwari system. Mahalwari system was introduced by World Secretary. It was introduced in the year of 1833 and it covered the state of Agra, Awadh, Bengal, Odisha and Madhya Pradesh. This system known as the Mahalwari system because the peasant in that time is known as Mahal. Because the village in that time is known as the Mahal. In this system, the village has introduced one head and they all paid their tax to this village head, and he sent to the paid to the tax to the East India Company, and he also got the 5% of the total tax commission. Thank you and thank you for traveling back with me in time. Thank you.